It's never been easier to build a website thanks to WordPress. Here's an example website of mine that has this slider at the top. There are interactive buttons as you move your way down, flashy graphics, links to other pages on the site, and so on. And 15 years ago, you would have needed to learn HTML and CSS, possibly some PHP and some MySQL programming, as well as JavaScript and other web programming languages. Today, we can build a website like this in WordPress without any technical knowledge of these things at all. So let's just start off by saying what WordPress is. WordPress is a free and open source content management system. What does that mean? Well, free is obvious, you get it, you don't pay for it. Open source just means that the source code is freely available and can be redistributed and modified as you wish. That is a great bonus for WordPress because it means there's a huge community of users and programmers working to make WordPress better. Content management system is what it says it is. It manages your content. WordPress will take care of all the technical stuff while you just focus on the content that you have to add to your website. WordPress does need to be installed on a web server, but I'll show you how to do that, and you can have WordPress installed in minutes on a web host. I'll also show you the option of installing it on your own computer so that if you want to learn WordPress without paying for a web host, you can do that too. The features which really revolutionized and put WordPress forward as a premier platform for building websites was its plugin architecture, which basically meant because of its open source nature, other programmers could create features and plugins that could be installed in a WordPress website to extend the features of that website. Then there's the template system, which allows you to install templates with a click of a few buttons and completely change the look and feel of your website. WordPress has been around since 2003, so it's established, and as of April 2018, 30.6% of the top 10 million websites use WordPress. WordPress is the most popular website management and blogging system on the web today and supports more than 60 million websites. And just to dispel a little rumour, WordPress is not just a blogging platform, it can be used for all types of sites. Best of all, for beginners, it will shield you from having to learn this type of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and other programming languages. If you decide to use WordPress, you're in good company. Have a look at some of the brands that also use WordPress. As I've said, WordPress will shield you from the technical stuff, but there is still quite a big learning curve. But that's where this course will come in. I'll show you how to install and set up WordPress in a search engine friendly manner. We'll go through all of the important settings in this daunting sidebar. We'll use plugins to extend the functionality of WordPress, and we'll change the look and feel of the websites using themes. This is something that incidentally you can do whenever you like without losing any of your work. We'll look at the differences between posts and pages. These are things that are often confusing to beginners. We'll look at the homepage options. Do you want a static homepage or do you want a blog style homepage? And we'll show you how to set up website navigation. We'll look at website content and how to create website content that visitors and search engines like. When we get through all of the theory, I'll set up a website using WordPress and you can watch over my shoulder step by step. This course is designed to take anybody, even a complete beginner, and turn them into a confident WordPress user. It doesn't matter whether you think you're the least technical person on the planet. By the end of this course, you will be able to set up, install, configure, and manage your own WordPress website.